Hey, what's up, guys? Take 52. I'm cooking with Mark. I'm going to be cooking a center cut pork loin today in this Ninja Foodi. It's kind of new to me. I really don't know what I'm doing with it, so I'm still in training. It's the air fryer pressure cooker combo. So I'm going to do something simple. If you watch, cool. If you don't, that's cool too. I get it. No big deal. But thanks for watching. So we're going to do a center cut pork. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the center cut pork, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to make slice it thin and make me a big old pork sandwich. Actually, a small pork sandwich. I'm on a diet. I'm dieting right now. Diet. I'm restricting my calories. That's what I'm doing because cooking with Mark is going through his skinny fat stage. Anyway, thanks for watching. Pulled pork, center cut pulled pork in the Ninja Foodi. Let me tell you a crazy story what happened. Anyway, I put my videos on YouTube, and so I get a package in the mail, and it says that, hey, we've been following your videos, and what we want you to do is we want you to try out our Ninja Foodi and make videos, and so here's a free Ninja Foodi. So I'm like, cool. Thanks. So I got a free Ninja Foodi, and now I'm making videos with it. You know what? That story's not true. I'm just kidding. No one gave me a free Ninja Foodi, but it sounds awesome, doesn't it? Anyway, I'm going to do this center cut pork thingy, piece of pork. All right. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. All right. What I have here is it's about 2.5 pound, center cut pork loin. So what I'm going to do is, all I did was put some pepper and onion powder on it. I don't want to put salt on it. I'm afraid it might dry it out or cause the moisture to come out of it. But here's the Ninja Foodi, and I'm going to put some apple juice in the bottom. This is 100% apple juice. Okay. 100% apple juice. 100% apple juice. So there it is. I don't know. You can see how much I put in there. It's about a 1/2 inch up to the bottom. Now your Foodi comes with this little rack. This is the cook stuff on. So I'm going to put the rack in there. I'm going to take this 2.5 pound pork. I'm going to put it on the rack. Okay, there we go. It's on the rack. All right, I'm going to put my pressure lid on. Just a little additional note here. I decided to set it for 40 minutes. It could be dry and tough. Could be like a piece of shoe leather, but I set it for 40 minutes in the pressure cooker instead of 35. All right, we're down to 13 minutes here, 13 minutes to go. We're doing a little countdown. It went into a warming mode, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kill the power, and we're going to let it, we're going to take the steam out of it. We're doing a quick steam release, so I just throw a wet, clean dishcloth over the steam port. Go ahead and crank her up and let steam come out. It smells delicious. Put a meat thermometer in the pork, in the center of the pork. We're hitting about looks like almost 160, which is definitely done enough. The temperature was 160. I hope we didn't destroy the little guy. It seems really tender when I stuck the thing in, the meat probe. So we're going to close it up. We're just going to try to brown them on top a little bit. Like I said, I hope we didn't destroy it. You can cook pork to 145 degrees temperature. We kind of went overboard, so maybe we ought to crank the time down back to 35 minutes. Either that or change it to a lower setting. Maybe pressure cook 40 minutes, medium. I'm going to do some air crisping. We're going to do some 350. And we're going to set it for, we'll give her 5 minutes. And it could be a dry piece of shoe leather. It could be delicious. So 5 minutes air crisping. Thing really didn't seem to make much of a difference. There's the pork. Like I said, the internal temperature reached 160. And I was going for, I should have did it more like a 145, 150. But it's not destroyed or anything. It's tender. It flakes right apart. You can see I can just grab it here and pull it. It comes right apart like easy. So it's very tender, maybe a little on the dry side because I cooked it so long, but it's still going to be delicious. But anyway, thanks for watching my video, Cooking with Mark. This video is going to be titled Pork and Love. Pork and Love. Anyway, there's my pork. Thanks. See you guys.